Do you snore? Do you know someone else who snores, who's irritated you from time to time? I'm sure you do. How would you like to become involved with dental sleep medicine? In recent years, this has become well recognized as being a legitimate medical and dental procedure, and it makes for bringing the two professions together. Dentists need physicians, and physicians need dentists. I suggest you look at this very simple video which introduces you to dental sleep medicine and sleep medicine overall, so that you can, if you want to, integrate this into your practice and provide an unbelievable service for at least half of your patients who snore, and a sizable percentage of them who have life-threatening sleep apnea.